Hi everyone, I'm Tomasz, and today we'll take a look at how to maintain your Pilates reformer and the most common issues you might encounter. In the video, we will use WD-40 silicone lubricant and Novadest alcohol-free disinfectant spray to clean surfaces. Noisy springs, this issue can be fixed in two ways. Adjusting the spring tension. If your reformer model allows for spring position adjustment, use the provided wrench to loosen both nuts on the attachment plate. Adjust the spring's position, tighten the nuts, and test the tension. If needed, repeat the process. Lubricating the springs, apply a thin layer of lubricant to both ends of the spring. Protect other parts of the reformer with a cloth to prevent unwanted residue. If necessary, repeat the process. If your footbar makes an unpleasant sound when moving, spray a small amount of lubricant directly onto the bar securing the footbar. Then, wipe the surrounding area with a dry cloth to remove any excess lubricant. If the screws securing the springs become loose, tighten them using the two included wrenches. If you hear squeaking when the ropes move through the pulleys, apply a small amount of lubricant to both sides of the pulleys. Only a thin layer is needed. Too much oil may cause dust buildup. For smaller metal parts like clips and fasteners, apply lubricant to a cloth and gently wipe over the parts. Important, do not apply lubricant to the wheels as dust buildup could lead to movement issues. Spray a cleaning solution onto a cloth and wipe down all surfaces of the reformer. Allow the upholstery to dry completely before use. After cleaning with a damp cloth, go over the frame once more with a dry cloth to remove any remaining dust or residue. If needed, repeat the process using a fresh cloth with cleaning spray. Did you find this video helpful? Follow Flexity for more tips and let us know in the comments if these maintenance tricks worked for you. Find this reformer on our eShop. See you next time.